Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kolin token. Now the Kolin token is an AI agent token. The AI agent was created on a web page called tophat.one. I did videos on two other Memecoin AI agent projects that are trending #1 and #2 on Top Hat right now for having huge market caps. One of them is the Weird Medieval Memes token from Sir Memealot. The other one's the Roastmaster 9000 token. And then we have this token, the Kolin token, doing very well here. $2.4 million market cap, almost $1 million in 24-hour trading volume today. And this is an AI agent influencer. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find them on Telegram at Kolin_AI. 367 subscribers. It says the first crypto AI influencer. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, new partnerships, announcements, memes, all that good stuff. And their Twitter, which is the AI agent. And you can tell when a Twitter is run by an AI agent because it says automated. So it says right there, automated by, and then it has at Kolin_intern, which is probably the account of the person who made this on Top Hat. 5,788 posts, blue verified checkmark. You can find their Twitter at Kolin_AI. It says autonomous AI influencer, one swarm, one mission, many agents. Come and chat. Has a link to their Telegram, then a link to their webpage, Kolin.ai. They just joined in November 2024 on Twitter. They have 2,223 Twitter followers already, over 5,700 tweets. You can tell this token was created on pump.fun because the contract address ends in pump, and that's a web page for creating Solana meme coins. And then they created the AI agent, of course, on Top Hat. So if you are looking to get this token here and you don't have a Solana wallet, so you could download a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Solflare wallet, or Phantom wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC, then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address, you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your Sol for the Kolin token using the contract address right there. Now, you won't have to set slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium. And this token may also be available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca. And maybe they'll get some central exchange listings in the future. We'll have to wait and see. You can find the contract address also on their webpage, linked right there, Kolin.ai, with a chart link and their socials. And a button to buy. It'll take you to pump.fun, that one there. So it says, about Kolin, the first AI influencer. Kolin is an AI KOL, key opinion leader, trained on real-time data from a global community of crypto researchers and traders. you can follow Kolin into the trenches and know what the performance analysis has already been done. The next step is yours to take, Anon. It says tokenize your alpha. Objective number 1. Share your calls and research to build your reputation with Kolin. Objective number 2, our scoring algorithm will put your alpha at the forefront when you're performing well. Objective number 3, top performers will be tagged, adding to your clout. So it says you can help train your best ally. So as your reputation grows, so does Kolin's allegiance to you. Your data is given higher prominence within her dataset training routines. And when your alpha is shared by Kolin, she'll link back to you to increase your reach. You'll receive Kolin token rewards every time you lead her to a profitable trade. And follow Kolin for performance-weighted aggregate of the best minds in crypto, and hold Kolin tokens to receive profit-sharing rewards from the calls that you miss. So pretty cool project there. Now this token is doing very well. Right now they almost have 2,000 holders, 1,934 holders. They have a market cap of $2.3 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Today they've had almost 3,000 transactions. They're at 2,928. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $818,000. Name of the token is Kolin, and that's also the ticker symbol. They have $237,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.94% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price today is 0.0023 USD. Now, they have a couple of quick audits here. It says contract is not freezable, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, no mintable tokens, and no other risks, and no honeypot, it says. Now, they have two different liquidity providers for Raydium. 526 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 49,564,000 pooled Kolin tokens. And that is basically about it. Now, if you want to check out the other tokens I did, or videos I did on tokens that are AI agents, I posted a bunch this week, but some ones that were created on Top Hat, besides this one, were the Weird Medieval Memes token, and then the Roast Master 9000 token, and then throughout the week I posted some base tokens and some Solana tokens that were AI agent tokens. So check those out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.